Well, we woke up to a very rainy morning and we're really hoping that it doesn't stay raining all day because that can really ruin our plans. So we're on our way to breakfast, but we're just a little concerned because if it is going to be raining the next 2 days, which is all we have left, then that means that the mountain coasters, the Dollywood in general, all the rides in Dollywood, sky lifts and zip lines and everything that we've thought about doing, we won't be able to do. So I really hope so, because if not, I'm gonna be very sad. Yeah, literally everything we want to do for the most part, outside of like the mysterious mansion and like,
well, like walking inside stores and stuff.
Well, yeah, I mean, outside of that, everything else we're doing involves like being outside. So
I mean, it doesn't look like it'll be pouring all day, but that's what the forecast is. We're just gonna have to, hopefully all those things work in the rain.
No, I doubt it. But on a positive note, we're gonna go to Crockett's breakfast camp. They have really fluffy pancakes and they kind of remind me of the Japanese. I don't think they're gonna taste like the Japanese, I don't know if you like Google it, the Japanese fluffy pancakes, that they're like these fat looking pancakes. I don't know if that's what it's gonna taste like, but it looks like it. So I just wanna go, and I heard the food is good regardless. So, see, it feels like everything's just gonna be down all day. Like, how can any of these places make money if it's raining? Woohoo! This is so weird. To pay for your parking, you just slide in.
All the bills?
You just slide in and like fold the bills, or let me see. That is a weird method. I've never seen such things. You have to like push the dollar inside.
You have to get this key.
So it's a 45-minute wait. So meanwhile, we're gonna see if we can explore a little bit. When you sit down at the table, they just give you a newspaper. You can read the news. Is this actually for today? No, this is November 24, 1886. Wow.
Why would you think that's today?
I was like, wow, they have the news for today. So it opens up as a menu. I mean, I think I could have thought that was just gonna be like a, you know, what's it called? Like a thing you put underneath so you don't dirty the table.
Yeah, that's a place now.
I think we're gonna get one of these like skillet breakfast stuff. I think I'm gonna get the Black Bear Camp skillet. And what are you thinking?
What'd you say?
The Black Bear.
I'm trying to decide between these two.
Chopped steak and eggs.
Either one steak.
They both sound amazing. I'm excited to try the fluffy pancakes here, so let's see. Oh my goodness, those pancakes look crazy. Thank you. So they give you an actual cast iron skillet. Wow, everything looks really good. Look at those mushrooms. This skillet is no joke, but now I want to try it. The pancake is not as like fluffy as I was expecting it to be. It's thick, but it's not fluffy. It's like dense. So
is it like bread?
It tastes more like bread than a fluffy pancake, but it's not bad. It's just in my head I was imagining this like melt in your mouth fluffy pancake, but the food was good, so they give you a lot for the money that you're paying. They give you like a lot of food, so we definitely couldn't eat. Look how much is leaving, like you didn't even touch his pancake. But yeah. Wait a second, that's a real duck. We were like so confused. We thought that was part of the the giant duck just right there. Hi, hi. What's your name? So we're at the Savannah Mead tasting. Our new friend Travis.
Hey. So have you guys ever had mead before?
At the Renaissance Festival. That's the only time in Florida we've ever had mead. So which one's?
First one here is our sourwood. This is our private label. We send our sourwood honey to Redstone Meadery in Boulder, Colorado, and they make it for us.
Okay.
This is a traditional style mead at 12% ABV. It's got caramel notes up front and an earthy olive dry note finish. Breeding and honey.
See that?
It's not too sweet. It's like.
No. Yeah. You can also make a dirty martini with this as well.
For sure.
The mead, yeah.
Right.
So is this nectar of the hops?
It's nectar of the hops. Now this one falls under the subcategory being called a methic. That just means herbs or spices we use during fermentation. So Amarillo and Centennial hops with 5 parts raw flour, 1 part clover honey. So everything a beer wished it could be.
Reminds me of a cider.
A little bit, yeah, a little bit.
Or like a white wine. Well, I guess they all taste like wine,
Right.
kind of, but.
It's American draft style. Alright, so this next one's called Raz. Now this one is a melomel. That just means fruits or fruit juice was used during fermentation. But it can also fall under the subcategory being called a sour melon, because this one's been lactic fermented like kombucha or a sour beer.
Oh, like kombucha.
There's a little bit of a tang on this too.
Okay.
But it's crisp, it's clean, it's fruity, it's been introduced like ribs, local barbecue. You can make a cocktail with it, vodka.
This is my favorite so far. I feel like it's, like, I get the whole kombucha thing. Like it does have a bad taste.
I really like floral.
6%. It's got blueberries, black currants, and star thistle honey. So this one's gonna be sweet up front and then finished tart. It goes awesome with dinners like red meats, gamey meats, dark fatty meats like duck. You can make a sangria out of this. Or you can have it like a charcuterie board.
So this is the rhythm and blues. I think this one's my favorite. I keep saying that. But I like the berry flavored wines and meads. It's the oldest form of alcohol. I didn't know that. So mead is made from fermented honey.
So this next one's called Tupelo Blossom. This is another traditional style mead. It's at 10.5% ABV. It's floral, it's fruity, it's earthy, and it's super sweet. It's one of the sweetest ones we offer here. Now our menu does say notes of pineapple and spice, but it's lying to you. It actually tastes more like a scuppernong or a muscadine wine. It's very great.
Muscadine.
Now this goes really well with some of the spices or onions and
Huh. I love tastings.
Alright, so this next one's called XR Sizer. Now Sizer is just a play on the word cider.
Oh.
So Michigan spy apples, star thistle honey, maple syrup, and cinnamon. So it tastes just like an apple pie.
Ooh, like an apple pie.
About fermenting maple syrup. This is okay.
Oh yeah, I love this one. Okay, this is my favorite.
You think so?
For sure.
This is for sure your favorite.
Especially over ice cream. Pull it out of it. Yeah, mess up. Some moldy spices.
Right.
Some moldy spices would be nice. Here is Anakeesta, and this is where you would hop on if it wasn't raining. Savannah Bee Company, go do the meat tasting with Travis.
Towards to the hiving process. Right. If anything looks good, these are whipped honey's here.
Ooh.
We force it to crystallize, and then this one we put lemon.
And it's a
cinnamon,
barbecue sauce.
cocoa. Yeah, that's a honey mustard barbecue sauce with habanero.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I want to try the orange blossom.
Orange blossom. Okay. So that one kind of has a molasses caramel taste. This you're really going to taste.
Black sage. Sounds fun.
And that's an actual sage leaf that.
No, it's actually from the deserts out west, so it's
Okay.
desert flowers. that
Okay.
it's
So it's also a wildflower.
crystallized. And then it's all a Montana wildflower. Then this one we had lemon, cinnamon, cocoa. I don't know if you want to try.
I think I want to try cinnamon.
What would someone do with this? Is this something you would?
The lemon, a lot of people like that in tea because it's got
okay.
the sweet, the
Right.
natural sweetener plus
Right.
lemon.
Right.
Doesn't really alter the taste. The one with the cinnamon,
For
the brown
cooking,
is
maybe.
my favorite.
Put in coffee.
Baked sweet potato.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like for baking or for like
Oatmeal,
putting it into food.
oatmeal,
True,
biscuits,
true.
pancakes, waffles.
Okay.
The chocolate to me, if you're a real chocolate lover, people love it.
Yeah.
It's very rich. It's almost too rich for me. It's too chocolatey.
Right.
And in the
And-
wildflower, you really taste the wildflower.
What about the winter white?
That one's just for the holidays, and it's a Rocky
Oh.
Mountain wildflower.
Okay.
And that one, to me, tastes a little gritty, but they're wanting you to get the thought of like eating snow and the grittiness of the
Oh
snow.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I think
I'll have
the
to try
cinnamon is the one that I want to try.
You want to try cinnamon? Okay. Oh, do you
you.
like?
I'd like to try this Christmas.
This one's really nice, the cinnamon.
That one's really smooth. Where if you try this one, you'll get the texture different.
Okay.
It's a little more
Oh, yeah.
gritty like.
Right.
Like this one, you actually have to like chew it a little bit.
But you can feel.
I'm on the pound cake instead of a frosting.
Lemon.
It does give you a real kick kind of at the end of it here.
Okay. What? They got tea, they got coffee. They have these like really cool Nickelodeon mugs. This is like a Spencer's, a GameStop, and a Hot Topic all in one. I'm in love with this mug. Either I'm getting this, or I might get a Grinch mug to add to the collection.
Well, still think we should come back anyway.
Yeah, we'll come back.